Hi, my name is Keanu Oshiro, and this is my KNO Golf 2020 Google site. The homepage includes immediate links to each of the tabs that are on my Google site. A little information about each tab, my biography, my personal background, why I started the site, and what it means to me. My resources and my favorites include golf tips and news, which are preferred to me and preferred to other people who are in the game of golf. My tech projects, which is my digital story, my PLNN, and my preferred mobile app. My evaluations include my Apple Teacher certification and the screencast of my site. Now, my biography, like I said, is just a little bit of information about me and the steps that I've took to get here, which also include why I made the site, which is actually a project for my ELRC 4507 class. I've always wanted to help people, and golf is my favorite sport. So why wouldn't I want to help people in my favorite sport? At least for whoever wants to get better. And I fully recommend children getting into the game of golf early. So that way, whenever they get older, they already know the basics and they can have fun later on in their life. My resources I gathered from all different areas, all different sites, and are located in my Diigo library, which is just an accumulation of bookmarks for these sites, which include Golf Digest, TPI Exercises, PGA Twitter, which is a great site, USGA Golf Resources, which gives you rules and events to participate in, and Chris Ryan Golf, which is located on YouTube. He's a great person to watch. My favorites include another PGA Twitter, which is always fun to watch, and Golf Digest, and especially Hank Haney School Golf, which might be a little bit more expensive, but it contains some of the best golf schools in the country. And I thoroughly recommend, if you're serious about golf, to go to this website. My tech projects include my digital story, which is a basic start information on the analysis of Tiger Woods and Jordan Spieth's golf swing, how I get my information on the PLN, and the mobile app that I consistently use day by day, Tumblr, which I might use as a resource to teach from. Now, like I said, my digital story is about the analysis of Tiger Woods and Jordan Spieth's golf swing. It is a simple video that you can watch here on YouTube, anywhere really on the go, at the golf course, and I thoroughly recommend it just because it just gives you a couple of tips on where to start for your basic swing, and it gives you a visual representation of what I am attempting to explain. My PLN is a basic overview of how people might learn in different ways to learn using technology, using Google, using blogs and curation tools and microblogs. You have your blogs, which contains personal reflections, comments, hyperlinks, etc., something that I use often, as well as microblogs, which actually include Twitter, Tumblr, Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, something that many people use daily. Content curation is just the gathering and organizing of online presentation of content to a centralized theme, which includes Pinterest and Flipboard. It's definitely more family friendly, as well as microblogs. Blogs tend to be more news related. And the mobile app that I use often is Tumblr. It's a great app to use if you want to blog, if you want to look at different outlets, and if you just want to pass time by. My evaluations are of me and, the Google site. As an Apple teacher, I am certified through Mac. Mac is a tricky thing to use sometimes. There you have it. Let's go back home. This is my tech blog. It's just a blog through Google. And I have, a couple of learning links, a couple of blog posts just to get, your basics of information from Wiki and just a little bit more about me. Blogs are definitely a lot more family friendly and just person friendly in general if you want to voice your opinion or just have have just something you want to post and that other people will see, and you can bounce things back and forth between each other. This is my... You can contact me through my my Outlook account, koshir2@lsu.edu. That is my contact, and that is essentially my blog. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a wonderful day.